proper salt and pepper shakers here with this old timer. So anyways, what am I doing? I don't have a good name for it. I'm boiling up some elbow macaroni made with brown rice. So it's brown rice pasta. And I add some cheese, some buttermilk, some manderian oranges, and in the microwave I have some red beans and mushroom bits that are heating up. I'm going to kind of mix it all together and see what we got going here. And this is vintage too, old Tupperware. Amazing what you can get off eBay. So, and that was the microwave just finished. I'm kind of doing this like you would with mac and cheese, you know, a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter to mix it in. Throw in my Swiss cheese with it. This may end up being more like a soup than anything. And I just grab whatever off the shelf. Let's see, I'll have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let's see how this tastes. So, I'll probably get my protein from the beans instead of the usual artificial crab meat. So, kind of getting that all melted in there. Turn this darn fan off. There we go. Yeah, I love mac and cheese, but my God, it took a lot of sodium in the cheese, and I was on dialysis, but I don't have a dialysis port in me anymore, so that's a miraculous occurrence. So I'm trying to be kidney safe with the food. I need to do more research on that to see what actually is safe to eat with your kidneys being in a certain situation. Empty. There we go. So, adding some fruits, a little bit of zest. Alright, let's have you sit there and stare at the pot while I get some stuff out of the microwave. This is probably going to be pretty soupy. So, this is my odd combination. Well, I also get a bunch of the, since I gotta stay away from salt, I get a bunch of the Mrs. Dash, just anything that's not too hot and spicy. So like, yeah, just dump it on in there. Ooh, that smells better. So well, call it what you will. But this is what I'm going to eat. Today is March 25th, 2019. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.